In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you one of my secret side hustles. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kimberly and you're watching Life with Kimberly Michelle. So if this is your first time to this channel, I thank you so much for stopping by. I want you to go ahead, stick around, click that subscribe button. But let me tell you why. I do weekly videos on this channel about plus size fashion, and every now and again I throw in a video about side hustles. Why? Because we love fashion and we need extra money to buy our fashions, okay? So today is one of those side hustle videos. I'm going to share with you guys something that I do on the side to make extra cash. Now this side hustle involves mystery shopping, but specifically gas station mystery shops. Now I did a video a while back on my channel about mystery shopping, and I went in depth on the different types of mystery shops you can do, and I had a whole list of companies that you can sign up with, legit mystery shopping companies. So, you know, if you want to catch that video, you can just click right here. So in this video though, I want to focus on gas station mystery shops. The reason I like doing the gas station mystery shops is because they are quick, easy, and the payout is fairly quick. So there are a couple of companies that you can use, but I solely use one company, Maritz CX, and that's the company that I use to do my gas stations through. A lot of people don't like to tell you the company about the gas stations because, you know, if you guys end up living in the same area, one of you might snatch up all the gas stations in the area, and then that kind of cuts out the other person. But I'm gonna share today so you guys can check it out, see if it's something you like to do. Now, there are several gas stations to be mystery shopped. Some of them are mystery / reveal, and some of them are simply just reveal, which means there's no mystery shop. You just go there, do what needs to be done. They're well aware of who you are and why you're there. Now, when I say mystery shop / reveal, that means that you're gonna secretly do a quick mystery shop, and then you're gonna go back in the store and reveal to the clerk that you just mystery shopped them, and now you're here to take photos of the site. So each gas station company has its own set of rules and what they want you to look for. So pretty much what you're going to be doing, you're going to secretly evaluate the customer service of the store. You're going to check out the cleanliness of the bathroom, and you're going to check out the gas pump to see if the pumps are working properly and printing out the receipts as they're supposed to. So that's the synopsis of your trip. But of course, it's a little more in depth, and they will give you all of the detailed instructions on what you need to do. But once you get them down, you can complete them in a maximum of maybe 30 minutes, anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes, depending on how big the gas station is, how many pumps they have. Once you get a couple under your belt and you know what you're doing, you can complete these in under 30 minutes or maximum 30 minutes. Some of the gas stations with like 20 pumps may take a little bit longer, so, you know, keep that in mind. Now, the other good thing, besides getting paid for this, the good thing about the gas station mystery shops is that you get gas reimbursement. So it's not a lot, but hey, it adds up. Usually they may reimburse you up to $5 or 2 gallons or something like that. And also any in-store purchase that you need to make, they will reimburse you for that too. Of course, there's a cash limit on how much they will reimburse you for, but they'll give you all of that in your instructions. Now, you may be saying $5 worth of gas is nothing, but the secret to doing these is to do a lot of them right back to back in a row. Because they can be done so quickly, you want to kind of get a bunch of them and do them all in one day, or at least spread them over a couple days. And if you're doing that, each gas station you hit, you're getting a $5 gas reimbursement. So by the time you're done, you can pretty much fill up your tank. So the way I like to do it is I go to the website, I put in my zip code and search for the gas stations that are in my area. I don't want to travel too far to do these, so I try to just hit the ones that are within a 15-minute drive from my house. Once I assign all the sites to me, then I map them out by area. So I want to do them in groups. I may have a cluster of them in one area and then 3 or 4 another cluster in another area. So you want to write all this down, map out your route. That way you can maximize your time when you're doing the shops. So all you're pretty much going to need is your cell phone, because you're going to be taking a lot of pictures. You're going to be looking out for any infractions at the gas station that they tell you to, and you're going to be taking photographs of all of this information. Now, these gas stations usually pay about $12 to $13 each, and like I said, they take maybe 30 minutes or so to do. But a lot of times there are incentives. There can be an incentive offered anywhere from $2 extra all the way up to an additional $10 or $12 extra. So it's possible that you may catch a gas station that's $18 to $24. And if it's taking you 30 minutes to get done, that's a pretty good amount of money for 30 minutes of your time. But on the average, they're going to pay about $12. Now, when you first start off, I recommend that you only grab 1 or 2, see how you like it, and then go from there. Don't go assigning yourself like 5 and 6 of them at one time when you've never done them before. Also, I think when you first sign up, they don't let you do that anyway. They tell you just take 1 or 2 until you get the feel of it, because this may be something for you and it may not be for you. The other thing I wanted to tell you guys is you will need, in addition to your cell phone to take pictures, you will need a safety vest. They require that you wear a safety vest when you're on site because, you know, cars are riding around and everything. But you can get one of those at Home Depot for pretty cheap. Now, Maritz CX, they do specialize in oil companies, but gas stations are not the only mystery shops that they offer. They do have bank shops and car dealership shops as well. So when you're on the website, take a look and see if that may be something you're interested in too. All right, guys. So yeah, that's one of my secret side hustles that I do. I was on a roll with this maybe a couple weeks ago, last month, in the month of August. I was doing them like crazy because they were offering a lot of incentives. For some reason, I think it was the end of the quarter or something like that, but they were offering a lot of incentives and I just couldn't pass it up. So I was killing it with these. So if you guys try it out, be sure to come back here in the comments, let me know how you liked it. Also, another side hustle I do is DoorDash. I did a video on DoorDash. You can catch that right here if you haven't seen that one. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel on your way out. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.